I can't fuck with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, go hit a jug, I be stacking and moving. My niggas violent like passing it.
Hey guys, so as you can tell from the title, you already know what it is. So let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off using some alcohol on a towel, and I'm just going to clean the area of any dirt or makeup. You have to ensure that the area is clean to have a flawless install. Then I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and spray that all over her edges to protect it from the lace adhesive. I'm also doing the ball cap method, which also helps to protect your edges. I'll be using a straight 18-inch unit from my collection for this install. Now guys, please give me a moment of silence for this slayed hairline. I'm adding some foundation powder, fit me in the shade 360 so that it can blend seamlessly with her skin tone. Now I'm applying my lace adhesive. I did 3 to 4 layers and I ensured that each layer was dried clear before I applied the next layer. I also use my blow dryer to help speed up the process. Now it's time to apply the wig, and I'm just bringing it forward, ensuring that I have it positioned correctly before I start melting the lace into the adhesive. Now it's time to remove the excess lace from the unit, and I'm doing that by using a eyebrow cutter. You can use a scissors or an eyebrow cutter, it doesn't matter. Just ensure that you do it in a jagged motion. Once the lace has melted, you can move on to the styling portion. Styling is optional, it's solely up to the client, and if they don't have a style, they can always leave it up to their stylist. However, I'm doing a style that she requested. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, head on over to Instagram and support my business page. I will insert a snippet of my account so that you can follow me on Instagram. Once again, thanks for watching. Bye.
You go bam bidi 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 bam bam, bam bidi 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 bam, bam bidi 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 bam bam. Bring it, give me, let me beat it like a drum. bam bidi 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 bam bam, bam bidi 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 bam, bam bidi 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 bam bam. Baby,